Digital healthcare is moving beyond online prescriptions. The real opportunity may be connecting the software, pharmacy, and patient data into one operating system. Today, we're looking at MedPal AI's acquisition of eMARx and how it could strengthen the company's Health OS strategy for the care home sector. I'm joined once again by Jason Drummond, CEO of MedPal AI. Jason, welcome back to the watch list.
Thank you, Ricky.
It's a pleasure to have you as always. But tell us, Jason, the acquisition of eMARx appears to complete your Health OS vision for the care home sector. How significant is this in differentiating MedPal AI from traditional pharmacy providers? And what competitive advantages does it create as you scale nationally?
Well, as you're aware, we've been building out our pharmacy infrastructure with the use of our AI and our kind of health operating system. It's quite personal for me. My mum is actually in a care home. She has dementia, so she's not really aware of what medication she's on. So it became very apparent to me that when I tried to work out what medication she was on, it was actually not that straightforward. So I felt that this was just an incredible opportunity to do something a bit different and to give a better level of care for those care home residents. It's a huge market. There's 16,500 care homes, over 500,000 registered beds, over 500,000 residents in those care homes. It's a huge market. I think NHS England spent around 21 billion on medicines in 2025, of which over 10 billion is on primary care. So it's a big opportunity. Historically, care homes were supported through pharmacy, through community pharmacies, literally on the high street next to where the care home would be. Our proposition is that we can move that all centrally with centralized warehouses. We've got advanced distribution with robotics, which is literally 5 nines accurate. But more importantly, we can track right the way through from the point at which the GP issues the prescription to the point at which the robots pick the medication. We ship it to the care homes. And now eMARx was the missing piece. That's really how the care home actually administers medicines to the care home resident. So we now own that piece. So effectively, we can see right through from the point that the GP issues the prescription, right through to the point at which my mum takes the medication, and basically make that data available not only to the care home resident, but also to the families of those residents to create much better outcomes.
And Jason, as healthcare systems look for more integrated digital tools, recurring software revenue and pharmacy services can become much more powerful when they're bundled together. So with eMARx bringing an established customer base, recurring software revenue, and the opportunity to bundle eMAR with your pharmacy services, how do you expect this acquisition to accelerate customer growth and increase the lifetime value of each care home relationship?
So eMARx is a profitable business. It's growing rapidly. So it's a fantastic thing for us to own. As I mentioned, it completes our complete operating system for care homes, right through from the GP prescribing, dispensing, actually tracking the medication in a care home. At the moment, most of that medication comes from local community pharmacies. This basically gives us the ability to also provide the pharmacy supply alongside the software solution. So obviously, it could be generate further revenue for us. But also, more importantly, it gives us the ability to win new business by offering, for example, maybe potential discounts against our email platform if we get the pharmacy supply. That's the model that we work on. So it's beneficial for the care homes. It's beneficial for us. Amazing for care home residents. I mean, it's an incredible statistic, but the NHS estimates that 250,000 hospital admissions each year from care home residents, 35 to 40% of them are considered avoidable because they've been given the wrong medication or medical errors. So with this solution, it really negates those kind of problems. The robotic dispensing is 5 nines accurate, and the eMARx solution basically stops those kind of errors from happening. So great solution for residents, great solution for care homes, and we're making money both on the software and also on the pharmacy supply.
Wow, so this sounds like a strategy focused on building a more integrated healthcare platform, combining software, pharmacy fulfillment, and recurring customer relationships to support scalable growth. Thank you for your time today, Jason.
Thank you, Ricky.
Once again, that is Jason Drummond, CEO for MedPal AI. For more information on the company and its platform, visit medpal.ai. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.